Do you want to know how you can change your name in Threads? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to One2Step. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can change your name in Threads. You must know that you cannot change your name only in Threads. So you must go ahead and change your name in Instagram too. So let me show it to you. Go ahead and tap on your profile. Go to edit profile, and if you click on your name, you can see that your name and username are synced with your Instagram and can only be changed there. So go ahead and open your Instagram and then go to your profile and then click edit profile. Now go to name and then go ahead and change your name. After you click change name, you can see that if you go back to Threads and then if you reload your page, your name in Threads will be changed. So this is how you change your name in Threads. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.